Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video I will tell you that what are prisms. Instead of writing definition, I will write some properties of prisms, and with the help of those properties you can easily identify that your given shape is a prism. So what is the number one property? It's a 3D shape. Secondly, identical parallel ends, and last it has flat faces. Now these are the three conditions which help us to identify the prism. It should be a 3D shape. It has identical parallel ends and it has flat faces. Now I will show you few 3D shapes and then we will decide that whether those shapes are prisms or not. So have a look. Now I have few 3D shapes. So let's explore that either these are prisms or not. So first of all, as you can see this shape, this is a 3D shape obviously, and now we have to see either it has identical parallel faces or not. So if you will observe this shape, there are two identical faces like this one and this one. They both are identical, mean they both are same, and they are parallel as well. So first two conditions are satisfied for prism, that this is a 3D shape and two identical faces are parallel to each other. And third condition is all the sides are flat faces. If you can see that this is a flat face, this is a flat face, and this third face is also flat face, whereas these two sides are identical and parallel to each other, and you can say that it is a triangular based prism. One of the identical face is called base of the prism, and whenever we want to know height of the prism, you just have to see the distance between two identical faces which are parallel to each other. So this face is parallel to this one because this is a triangle. Over here this is also a triangle. So between these two triangles, this is the distance between two same faces which are parallel to each other. This is height of the prism. And whenever we are going to find its volume, we will just find area of its one of the identical face, which is this side, and this is triangle. We will find area of triangle and multiply it with the height, and height is the distance between two of the identical sides. Okay, my next shape is a 3D shape again, and you all can see that this is your cuboid. Now let's see that either your cuboid is a prism or not. For prism, I am picking up any two parallel sides. This one is parallel to this one and they are identical, same as well. So the condition of prism are satisfied on this cuboid. And you can see, if you will see one of the identical face, this is a rectangle. So this cuboid will always be your rectangular based prism. If you want to find its volume, you will simply take out its base area, means area of rectangle, and then you will multiply it by height of the cuboid. The distance between two of identical faces is called height of the prism. So when you will multiply it with the height, you will get volume of this prism. Okay, my last shape is again a 3D shape, and you people know about this shape. This is just like a shape of a pipe, or you can say the best name for this is a cylinder. Now the first condition for prism is it should be a 3D shape, so it is a 3D shape. Next, it has two identical faces parallel to each other. If you will see this circle and this circle, they both are parallel to each other. And third condition was that prism should have flat faces. So do we have flat faces around? If you see, cylinder do not have flat faces, straight faces around it. It's a circular region. So this is not your prism, right? This is from up till now.